Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. Your glitter girl is back with another DIY. Today I'll be creating a feathered chandelier. I'm starting off by removing the ribbon off of 2 hula hoops that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And I detached the hula hoop ends to pour the rocks out, but I will be reattaching them. Now that the ribbon film is off of both hula hoops, I am going to cut the first hula hoop to the size that I would like it, and then I'm going to be cutting the second hula hoop to a bigger size. Then I'll be taking these feathers that I got from my local Dollar Tree and I'll be cutting the stem off of them. I don't even know if that's considered a stem. I don't know. I'm sure someone will correct me in the comments. Next, I'll be using this bling wrap that I got from Walmart to cut some strips. And after I am done, I will be gluing these on the feathers. And this is how the feathers look when they're done. So pretty. Now I will start by attaching the bling wrap to the smaller hula hoop. And this is how it looks when it's done. And I'm now going to move on to the bigger hula hoop. And later on, I did double up on the feathers, and what I mean by that is I cut more feathers and I glued them to the back of the feather that I already have attached to the bling wrap, just to make it thicker because these are kind of thin. And after I was done, I took more bling wrap and I just glued them in between each of the other feathers. And I eventually fixed that bend part that you see in the hula hoop. It was giving me a hard time. Next, I cut up 2 strips of poster board, and I'm going to take this mirror reflective paper and cover it with it. And I'm going to be using this as the trim. I apologize that this process is being cut off a little bit because I wasn't directly under the camera. So I do apologize, but I am just basically taking the mirror reflective paper and gluing it around the perimeter of the hula hoop. And you also can't see, but I am only adding the dabs of hot glue on top of the bling wrap. I'm not adding it to the hula hoop, and that's because I didn't want to put any extra dents inside of the mirror reflective paper, and also because later on I'm going to be adding strings to connect both hula hoops together. And now that both pieces of the chandelier are complete, I'm going to put the smaller one inside of the bigger one and move all of the feathers out of the way. And I'm going to grab my strings and I'm going to begin attaching the smaller hula hoop to the bigger. And I know y'all been seeing my toes throughout this whole video. They are painted, but it's hard to keep these big things out of the shots, okay? I wear a size 10, 10 and a half, 11. So as you can see, yeah, it's hard to keep them out. But for this part, I'm just feeding the strings through the gaps in the hula hoops, and I'm just tying it and doing the same for each side. Next, I got this hanging wire basket from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to take the chains off and use these to hang up the chandelier. And I will now be spray painting the silver after I cut them to the size that I would like. And now I will be stretching the hook part out, and I'm going to stretch it enough to fit around the hula hoop. And after I attached all three, I took these screw-in hooks and I screwed them in the ceiling, and I attached the chandelier to each one. I am so in love with this chandelier. Like, I low-key might put this over the toilet in my bathroom. I have a light that's already in my bathroom over the toilet, so this will be perfect. And if you don't already have a light in your ceiling, you can always purchase a push light off of Amazon or find one in a Dollar Tree. As always, thank you all so much for tuning into my videos. It really means a lot to me. Please stay safe out there and remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.